Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
You are very punctual. I know the others, they are late. Gopio, what did I ask you to do yesterday?
Homeworks.
I gave you homework.
Yes. Page number. Practice book. Page number 46, 40, 47, and 49. Number exercise 5.
Wait. You mean workbook?
Yes. Workbook. Start 46.
Let's wait for the others for a while. Most students are late.
Yeah. I already sent.
Writing.
Yes, writing.
Yeah, I let you send that, right? Do you have idea? When you write pros and cons, did you take reference from the internet? There are some essays you can read. You can know how to write. You must learn the learning style. Did you do it?
Yes. Like I learned the director for
Huh?
the.
Only the type. I even show you how to do it, how to study.
Yes.
And you wrote with a pencil, so your handwriting is illegible. That's why I let you type. Okay, some are here now. इनको प्यो pen प्यो दिखाते okay इनको sorry pen प्यो दिखाते are you ready? I want to check homework first. Yeah. What book? Page number
46.
46. Everybody, workbook page number 46. I was stuck on that. Habitat interactions. Rainforest. So number 1, match the two halves of each sentence. Okay. Number 1, Pangupyo starts.
Tropical rainforest cover about 8% of the world's land surface.
So number 1 is F. 2, Ben.
The Amazon in South America is the largest tropical rainforest in the world.
Yes, it is D. All right, next one, Pyo Di Hate. Pyo Di Hate. Page 46 workbook. I will share. Page 46 workbook.
3.
Yes, 3. Tropical rainforests are.
Tropical rainforests are home to over 13 million types of plants and animals.
Yes, it is C. And next one, Pankopyo.
The plants provide food and shelters for the many animals that live there.
A, right?
Yes.
Okay, next. Ben.
More than 25% of our modern medicines came from tropical forest plants.
Yeah, it is B. Correct. Pyo Di Hate, the last one.
And there are many more medicines yet to be discovered.
Yes, it is E. Correct. Okay, I will go to number 2 now. Number 2, Ben. Find the field word. Number 1. What is that?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. 2. How to spell?
PHOTOSYNTHATS.
Yes. Pankopyo, number 2.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, number 2 is carbon dioxide. Pyo Di Hate, number 3.
Oxygen.
3, oxygen, correct. Then number 4.
Glucose.
Glucose, correct. Glucose. Okay. I will do number 3. Page 47, number 3. Number 3 is use the words from the box to complete the test. That one. And the first paragraph, 1 to 7. Pyo Di Hate, read.
I don't finish. I didn't finish.
Oh, so you need to listen.
Yes.
Pankopyo, read.
The word photosynthesis means putting together by light. It is the process by which plants make their food. This is how it works. Plants get energy from sunlight. They take in glucose from the air through their leaves and they take water from the ground through their roots. The plants use the energy to turn the water and the carbon dioxide into oxygen. As part of this process, the plants also release carbon dioxide into the air.
Yes. Some are correct, some are wrong. Number 1, photosynthesis. That is correct. 2, sunlight. 2, it must be plants energy from sunlight. So number 2 is sunlight. And number 3, taking carbon dioxide from the air. Because of the air, it must be taken. Sorry, my microphone was muted and I didn't notice that. Okay, I will do again. Number 1, photosynthesis. Number 2, sunlight. 3, carbon dioxide. 4, leaves. 5, roots. 6, glucose. 7, oxygen. I give you your answer. Some of your answers are wrong, right?
Yes.
Some of your answers are wrong. Those who are late, we are doing page 47 workbook. Page 47 workbook. Ben.
Can you say number 7 again and number 4?
Oh, number 4. Number 4, through their, from the air through their leaves. Number 4 is leaves. And 7 is release oxygen. Release oxygen. Everybody, I'm checking page 47, number 3. Number 3, I will repeat the answers. Number 1, photosynthesis. Wait. Number 2, sunlight. 3, carbon dioxide. 4, leaves. 5, roots. 6, glucose. 7, oxygen. All right. I will do number 4. Complete the test using the present passive of the verbs in brackets. Present passive. Ben, could you please start now?
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Your connection. Okay.
It is thought that more than half the Earth's rainwater is held by Amazon forest. Water is taken by the forestry. It is released into the atmosphere. Mist and clouds are formed. Rainforests are sometimes called the lungs of the air. They help to keep the air clean and to provide the oxygen we need to breathe. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken in by the trees and oxygen is given out. Yes. 1 is thought. 2 is held because subject is the Earth's rainwater. And 3, water, so it must be is taken up. 4, subject is it, so it's released. And number 5, clouds, so it must be plural, are formed. And number 6, carbon dioxide, it must be is taken up. And 7, oxygen, so it's given out. I will do number 5. Write the sentences in the correct places. And you are given the first sentence. When there is bright light, photosynthesis happens. I think I let you do it. By Gopio, did I ask you to do that? I know.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So the first sentence is already given. So I will check number 2. Pyodiate, number 2. What do you think? Which sentence should be number 2?
When is that oxygen taken in and carbon dioxide is given out?
Correct. Number 2 is carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out. Okay. So number 3. Number 3, Key, are you ready? Number 3. Minati, number 3.
More oxygen than carbon dioxide is produced.
Yes, correct. More oxygen than carbon dioxide is produced. So pen, number 4. Which one is 4?
I did do that part.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah, I forgot.
Who are left? Pyodiate, how about number 4? Which one should be number 4? So the other thing.
Yes.
More
Uh,
oxygen than carbon dioxide is produced. We are there.
There is no photosynthesis.
Number 4 is not that yet. Fine, Gopio, how about your answer for number 4?
When there is dim light, both photosynthesis and respiration take place.
Yes, correct. That is number 4. There is dim light. Both photosynthesis and respiration take place. That is number 4. Number 5. Minady, number 5.
Neither oxygen nor carbon dioxide are given out or taken in.
Yes, that is number 5 and 6. Show the other 6.
I didn't finish.
6, you cannot. Ben, what do you think? Which one is 6? Which one do you think 6?
Carbon dioxide is taken in, oxygen is given out.
And that is number 2 already finished.
And number 2 is 1 is there, right?
No.
So what
Number
is there? Oxygen is taken in, carbon is given out. Number 2, right?
Did you write the numbers, by the way?
Yeah, I'm listening to the answers.
Number 1 is already given. When there is bright light, photosynthesis happens. So F2, we have finished F2 number 5. Neither oxygen nor carbon dioxide are given out or taken in. So number 6 is Minady, number 6.
When it's dark, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given.
Before that sentence, which sentence is possible? There is no. Where did you put there is no photosynthesis?
Number 7.
Oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. There is no photosynthesis. Yeah, it is also okay. Okay, when it is that oxygen is taken in, carbon dioxide is given out. This is 6. So 7 is there is no photosynthesis. How about 8? How about 8? Minady, I think you did, or the rest didn't do it.
Yeah, the plant produces more carbon dioxide than oxygen.
Yes, that one. All right. So those who are late, we are doing page 47 workbook. I'm checking homework. I'm checking homework. Shruti, can you read all? I would like to make sure whether you can catch the answer or not. Can you read the answer?
Page 47.
Yeah, that one, the answer that I did. Number 5. Number 5 again. This one. You need to arrange the sentences in order, right? I let you read it again. I want to check whether you could catch the answer or not. You could not do some. So start from number 1. When there is but bright light, that one.
When there is bright light, photosynthesis happens.
That is 1. Number 2.
Number 2, neither oxygen nor carbon dioxide are given out or taken.
No, that is not number 2. That's why I am checking again. That is not number 2. There is bright
one-
light. Photosynthesis happens.
Yes,
Okay.
one is dark.
No. Carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out.
Teacher, could you please write the numbers because they are quite confused?
Wait, Pankopyo, did you note down the answer?
Yes.
Can you read out the answers? I want to know.
One day is bright light, photosynthesis happen. Is one. Carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out. And number two. Number three.
Three.
More oxygen than carbon dioxide is produced. And four. One day is dim light. Both photosynthesis and respiration take place.
Yes.
And number five, neither oxygens nor carbon dioxide are given out or taken in. Number six, when it's dark, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. Seven, there is no photosynthesis. Eight, the plant produces more carbon dioxide than oxygen.
And 6 and 7, actually any order, both are okay. In my point of view, both are okay. And how about number 40, page 48, 49?
49 only number 5. Yeah.
How about 3 and 4? They are finished?
Yes, they are finished.
Oh, okay. I will check page 49, this one. Page 49, number 5. Choose the correct form of present perfect, active or passive to complete the sentences. The rest are finished. Okay, number 1. Start. No. Okay, wait. I'll count you. Confusing. Read number 1. Many lions.
Many lions came because they attack.
Hey, read the instruction. Present, perfect, active, or passive. You must consider. Many lions, they are not doers.
Many lions has been killed because.
Have been. You mean have been?
Yeah.
Yes. Have been killed.
Because they had been attacked cattle and other animals.
The first one is correct. They many lions, so it is plural form, so you are supposed to use have, but lions are not doers in this case, so it must be passive. Have been killed. How about the second one? They attack cattle. So who attack? In this case, they means
lions.
So
they
are doers. Attack or attacked?
Attacked.
Yes, past tense. Sorry. Present perfect. They have attacked. They have attacked. Because it is active. It is active. They have attacked. Got it? I will repeat the answer. Please check. The first one, passive, have been killed. The second one, it is a doer, so it must be they have attacked. You are supposed to use present perfect. Key number 2.
Richard Torrell has invented a device for keeping lions away from form.
In this case, Richard is a doer, so it must be active. So present perfect, has invented. Has invented. And next, number 3. To be is the absent. Minute number 3. The device.
The device has been a success. Has been a success for Richard's family.
Yes, correct. Here in this case, it is active. The device. So has been correct. And next, number 4. Ben, number 4.
Richard's lion lights has been used all over Kenya.
In this case, lion lights, passive. It is object, so it must be lights plural form have been used. And next, Pankupyo number 5.
Richard has offered a scholarship at one or Kenya's top school.
Kenya's top schools. Wait, wrong. Pankupyo. In this case, Richard is not a doer. Not a doer. So it must be passive. Has been offered. Has been offered. Show the other number 6. Show the other number 6.
Richard has been present the idea for his limelight at a conference in California.
Wait. In this sentence, number 6, is Richard a subject or an object? Subject or object? Is he a doer in this sentence?
Object.
So who
sorry, subject.
Subject, because the idea for his lion lights. So he has presented. The answer is has presented, because he is a doer. So it must be active. Has presented. You need to consider whether it is active or passive. Sometimes, people are at the front, but it may be passive too, depending on the situation. You need to think carefully. You have already known this story. So in this case, Richard is the doer. So it must be Richard has presented. Go to page 50 and give you homework.
Yeah, we are now in the food chain.
Oh, yes. Sorry. So homework, is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to student's book, learner's book. We are supposed to start the food chain, right? Start the food chain. Everybody, course book, page 66. I will go quickly. It's just knowledge for listening. The food chain, page 66. Pankopyo, could you please start reading?
What does a food chain describe? Can you give an example of a food chain?
Okay, we will discuss that pyramid briefly.
Yeah, sorry, what the page?
Page 66. Yeah, I will share. By the way, can you
yes.
see my share screen?
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Ben, could you please read this pyramid?
This pyramid shows puzzle the
Food chain.
grass is eaten by cows, sheep, goats, birds, and similar animals. These are eaten by giraffes. All these animals are eaten by lions.
The basic one, plants. Yeah, is a grass. It's eaten by cows, sheep, goats, zebras, and similar animals. After that, they are eaten by lions. That is the simple food chain. So through that pyramid, I want you to read. I think you have already learned it in biology too. So here, you need to know these keywords: predator, prey, herbivore, carnivore, producer, consumer. All right, I will let you read. Key, could you please read? What is the meaning of predator?
An animal that kill and eat other animals.
For example, like lion. It is a predator, right? And next, Ben. How about the second one, prey? How do you understand my prey?
An animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal.
So in this picture, in this pyramid, like prey can be giraffe, zebra, lions. Sorry, not lions. Giraffe, zebra, sheep, blah blah blah. Right? Goat. They can be prey. And herbivore, manatee, herbivore.
And herbivore, an animal that only eats plants.
Herbs, H-E-R-B. So they are plants. So here, herbivore, an animal that only eats plants. 표디아테, carnivore.
Carnivore, an animal that eat only, an animal that eats other animals.
And then next, producer. How do you understand my producer? And is absent. Key, producer.
Yes. In a food chain, a plant that make its own food by photosynthesis.
Producer can be a plant that makes its own food by photosynthesis. And next one, Pankupyo, consumer.
Consumer. In a food chain, an animal that eat a plant or another animal.
Consumer is an animal that eats a plant or another animal. All right. The key ones are these. Here, another food chain. You could see that. Flowers this time, grass, plants, butterflies, deer, insects, bees. The top one, mountain lion, puma, or kingfisher. All right, let's go to listening. Listen to Junior Science Watch. As you listen, find the animals in the picture. Concerning this, there are many questions for this listening script, so I have created some questions. I will write it down. In your notebook, please, before you listen, please write the questions because the questions are not included here. Can I call? It takes time.
So how can I write the question?
Yeah, in your notebook, you can write.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear? So I cannot write. Please write down. I will call. Number one. What's important? Not to go wrong in the food chain. Everybody, can you hear?
Yes.
Yes.
I will repeat for number one. Please check your question. What's important not to go wrong in the food chain? Finished?
Yes.
Okay, number two. Question number two. By whom has the number of plants or trees?
Yo, can you repeat?
By whom? B1 by WHOM. By
Yes.
whom? By whom has the number of plants or trees being reduced dramatically?
Can you spell dramatically?
Yeah, I will do it again.
By whom has the number of plants or trees being reduced dramatically 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 dramatically.
Teacher,
Yes.
what's by whom meaning? What is this?
B1 by here. You know, passive form of the questions by whom? By someone, you know, that way. Let's go to three. Number three question is why have forests been cut?
Can you repeat?
Hey, I have written on the share screen. Can you see it? By the way, I would like to make it sure.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that is number three. Why have forests been cut? And number four question, what's the effect of not having many plants? Okay, this is for number four. Okay, there are four questions for listening. Michael, could you please read all the questions 1 to 4? I would like to make sure.
Okay. Number one, what's important not to go wrong in the food chain? Number two, by whom has the number of plants or tree been reduced dramatically? And three, why have forests been cut? Four, what's the effect of not having many plants?
The rest, are you ready for listening? Any questions for questions? Okay, so let's do listening now. $18.
Here we go.
Yeah, wait. I will let you know whether you can.
Track 18.
Today in Junior
Can
Science
you hear?
Watch, we're talking about the food chain. We've asked a top scientist to explain what happens when the food chain goes wrong. Professor King, we know about how grass is eaten by animals and they're eaten by other animals. But can the food chain go wrong?
Yes, that can happen. Keeping the balance right in the food chain is very important. In some parts of the world, the number of plants, trees and flowers has been dramatically reduced by human activity.
What do you mean exactly?
Forests have been cut down for wood. Buildings have been put on land where there was once grass and flowers.
And what's the effect of that?
It means there aren't as many plants for the animals such as deer to eat, so the deer find it hard to get food, and their numbers go down. In turn, the predators at the top of the food chain, like mountain lions, have fewer deer to eat, so their numbers go down as well.
Does this have an effect on the smaller animals, like butterflies and insects?
Yes, it does. It means that there aren't as many plants and flowers for butterflies, bees, and other insects. So birds like kingfishers have fewer insects to eat, and their numbers go down.
Second time.
Track 18.
Today in Junior Science Watch, we're talking about the food chain. We've asked a top scientist to explain what happens when the food chain goes wrong. Professor King, we know about how grass is eaten by animals and they're eaten by other animals. But can the food chain go wrong?
Yes, that can happen. Keeping the balance right in the food chain is very important. In some parts of the world, the number of plants, trees,
Fine, go view number 1. What is important not to go wrong in the food chain?
I'm not sure my answer.
Confusing. Key. How phiếu thì hate?
Okay.
Do you understand this listening? This is the second time.
We know about how grass is eaten by animals, and they're eaten by other animals. But can the food chain go wrong?
Yes, that can happen. Keeping the balance right in the food chain is very important. In some
Ben, please answer for number 1.
Keeping the balance right in the food chain is important.
Yes, correct. Keeping the balance right in the food chain, right? The answer is keeping the balance right in the food chain. That is number 1. Go to number 2.
parts of the world, the number of plants, trees, and flowers has been dramatically reduced by human activity.
What do you mean exactly?
Key number 2. By whom? Confusing. Number 2. Show the other thing. What is the answer for number 2? By whom? Yes, human activity. Correct. Human activity. So number 2 is that one.
Forests have been cut down for wood. Buildings have been put on land where there was once grass and flowers.
And what's the...
Sorry. Confusing. Number 3. Key number 3. Oh my God, it is quite simple. Binadi number 3.
For wood.
For wood. The answer is for wood. That is for number 3.
The effect of that?
It means there aren't as many plants for the animals such as deer to eat, so the deer find it hard to get food and their numbers go down. In turn, the predators at the top of the food chain, like mountain lions, have fewer deer to eat, so their numbers go down as well.
Does this have an effect on the smaller animals, like butterflies and insects?
Yes, it does. It means that there aren't as many plants and flowers for butterflies, bees, and other insects. So birds like kingfishers have fewer insects to eat, and their numbers go down.
I go view. Number 4. What is the main idea for number 4?
Number 4.
What's the effect of not having many plants? The speaker mentioned it at the end. How about Ben? Number 4.
I don't get it the end, but I get it only a few points.
So you don't know it exactly? Yeah, it
can I
says it.
say it? The deer find it hard to gather food, and mountain lions have a few trees, and inside there are also butterfly and fish, such as small animals, and kingfisher have fewer to eat, like insects.
So
Yeah,
what is the
only
main
that.
idea? It is too long. The answer is okay, but it's long.
Yeah.
So you must make it short. Minady, how will you say the answer for number 4?
Predators find it hard to eat. Find it hard to eat animals, and insects like butterflies and bees find it hard to plants or something. I don't know.
Yes, you have the similar answer as Ben. So the main thing is that here the effect of not having many plants. So if you summarize it, it is the number of animals the number of animals that eat plants goes down. That is the point. Because here it says the effect of not having many plants. The number of animals that eat plants goes down. You need to take that. Okay, let's go to fishing. Page 68. Go to fishing now. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Benry.
Read what?
Yeah, the top one. Witty.
Witty is
Imara.
Imara is a Maori writer from New Zealand.
Yes. What do you know about the Maori people? Have you ever had Maori?
No.
The people from New Zealand. So first of all, you need to go to number 2. Read the summary of the story so far and the extract from chapter 13. What does Kahu do and why? Okay. To be able to understand the extract from page 69, I want you to read the story so far. The story so far. Wait. Pankopyo, could you please start reading the first column?
Yes.
The story so far.
Maoris believe that leadership is
hereditary.
Hereditary. It passes to the firstborn son and then to his first son. In the Whale Rider by Witty Imara. Kahu's great grandfather is the chief of his community, and he was disappointed when Kahu was born that he wasn't a boy. He looks for possible future leaders among the boys in the community. He teaches them Maori's case and says them special texts. In one of these texts, he takes the boy out on the sea in a boat and threw a special stone into the water. The boys have to dive down, find the stones, and bring it back.
Okay, go on. Next one. Confusing, go on. Confusing, are you with me? Show the other.
But none of them can do it. Kahu's great-grandfather is very disappointed and sad about his. Kahu loved her great-grandfather, who she called Paka, and she wanted to make him happy. So the next morning, when Kahu and the Viva
taking his boat
out, she asked if she can go with him. Kahu's great-grandmother, Nani Flower, goes with them too. She knew the place where the stone was thrown into the water.
Throw into the water.
Into the water.
Concerning, yeah, here you need to check hereditary in the first column. Hereditary. I think the rest are understandable. So how do you understand my hereditary? Believes that leadership is hereditary. What is hereditary? Who knows?
Can I say Burmese?
Yeah, see. How do you understand by this word? Ben, you can. Yeah, that way. Based on inheritance, passing from parents to children, right? That is hereditary, yes. You are right. Okay, some are, and the rest are easy for you. Let's go to number 3. What do the verbs in each group have in common? Find them in the story and with a partner, trying to work out their meanings and use a dictionary to help you. Okay, first of all, group 1, look at the words from group 1. These words are from the Wheel Rider, page 69. The words are from page 69. Do a dark dive, line number 12. How do you understand by this? Do a dark dive.
Driving like a truck?
So you can do it in the water, right? You can do it in the water. And dock, paddle, float, drawn, drift. Tread water. They all are related to swimming. All right. So sort of the activities that you can do in the water. They are quite similar, right? And that way, group 2, group 3, group 4. You need to work out the meanings quickly. You are given the line number 2. Through the contest, you can read the test quickly and work out the meaning.
Yeah, can we use dictionary?
Yeah, of course you can. It is understandable when you do the when you read the test. Are you finished? Okay. Group 1, the words are related to swimming. I will go to group 2. Group 2, key. What do you think? Scream. What's wrong? Fine group, you say. Scream, yell, sob, cry.
Like,
You know the meaning of scream?
action.
Yeah, of course. In general, it is action, but make it specific. Stop.
Loudly action.
You know sob.
Sob. Oh yes.
What is sob? What is the meaning of sob?
David do that.
Ben, how do you understand my sob?
Sob, crying heavily.
That's crying nicely, yes.
Yeah.
Crying. Sob means crying. Crying noisily. So scream, yell, sob, crying. It is like shout, right? The word is related to shout. How about group 3, jab, push, throw, wave, grab, and point. Meaning D. How about number 3?
It's action.
Action, yeah. By the way, jab is a new word for you. What is the meaning of jab? J-A-B. You poke someone very hard. That is jab. Push, throw, wave, grab. You hold something very firmly. Grab, point. So they all are hand. The action related to hand gesture. Hand gesture. You use your hand. Jab. You poke someone very hard. Push, throw, wave, grab. All right. Group 4. Gaps, swallow, cough, splatter. Ben, how do you understand these words?
Is breathing?
Yeah, something concerned with breathing.
Yeah.
The words that are related to breathing. You must understand that. By the way, what is the meaning of gaps?
Gap. Breathing in deeply.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Breathe deeply. Yes, swallow, cough, splatter. Okay, so you have already learned these words. So I will let you read. There are only 3. Okay, let's see the wheel rider. Page 69. And I will read out first. I will let you read out. The wheel rider. Pangubyo, are you okay? Are you with me? Can you
Yes.
read the first paragraph up to line number 12? Read.
Okay.
Kahu said
Gao
simply.
said simply, I will get it. Before we could start hard, she stood and dived overboard. Until that moment, I had never even known that she could swim. Nanny's mouth made a big O. Then the breath rushed into her lungs and she screamed, oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! She jabbed me hard and said, go after her, Rawiri. Go. She partially pushed me over the side of the rowboat. Give me the diving mask. I yelled. Nani flowers threw it at me and quickly I put it on. I took 3 deep breaths and did a duck dive. Dive. I couldn't see.
Wait. Please rest for a while. Okay, Key, go on. Sorry, not Key. Key is not here. Pen. Go on.
I couldn't see her. The sea looked empty. There was only a small stingray floating down towards the reef. Then I got a bit frightened because the stingray turned around and smiling with at me. It was Kahu in her white dress and sandals, stopped paddling down to the sea floor. Her braids,
yeah.
and her braids floating around her head. I gasped and swallowed sea water. I came to the surface, coughing and spluttering. What is he? Nani Flowers screamed as she drowned. Oh no, my cow. And before I could stop her, she jammed in beside me, just about emptying the whole ocean. She didn't even give me a chance to explain as she grabbed the mess off me and put it on. Then she tried to swim in the water, but her dress was so filled with air that no matter how hard she tried, she remained on the surface like a balloon with legs kicking over it. I doubt if she could have gotten deeper anyway, because she was so fat and she couldn't sink.
Okay, stop. Okay, Key, we are in line number 35. We are reading this.
Yes.
This passage. Line number 35. Look at Minati, go on reading.
Yes. Oh, Kahu. Nanny Flowers cried again. But this time I told her to take a deep breath and
deep breath.
Deep breath. And when she was looking underwater to watch where I would point. We went beneath the surface. Suddenly I pointed down. Kahu was searching the reef, drifting around the coral. Nanny Flower's eyes widened with disbelief.
Widened. W-I-D-E-N-E-D. Widened.
Okay.
Widened, yes.
Widened with disbelief. Whatever it was.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. Whatever it was Kahu was searching for, she was having difficulty finding it. But just then, white shapes came speeding out of the dark towards her. I thought they were sharks, and Nanny Flowers began to blow bubbles of terror. They were dolphins. They circled around Kahu and seemed to be talking to her. She nodded and grabbed one around his body as quick as a flash. The dolphin sped her to another area of the reef and stopped. Kahu seemed to say, down here, and the dolphins made a nodding motion.
Okay. Keep going, certainly. 55. Line number 55.
Yeah. Suddenly, Kahun made a quick darting gesture. She picked
Gesture.
something.
Gesture. Made a
Gesture.
quick
Sorry.
touching gesture.
Yeah. She picked something. Inspected. Appeared satisfied with it and went back to the dolphin. Slowly, the girl and the dolphin rose toward it. But just as they were midway, Cow stopped again.
Go on reading.
Okay. She kills the dolphin
Dolphins.
goodbyes and give Nani flowers attack by returning to the reef. She picked up a crayfish and resumed her upward journey. The dolphin were like several dreams as they disappear.
Go on reading. Next, the last paragraph. Read. Hello.
Oh,
Okay,
sorry.
but oh yeah,
Sorry.
keep reading.
Nani flowers and our treading water, one cow appeared between us, smoothing her hair back from her face and blinking away the seawater. Nani flowers sobbing her clothes in the water. I'm all right. Nani cow laughed. She showed the crayfish to us. This is for Pigotee, she said, and you gave him back his stone. She placed the stone in Nani flower hands.
Mm-hmm. There are some figurative language here, and we will discuss that later. You need to try to understand this reading test and go to page 68, number 4. Number 4, everybody, number 4. There are 3 questions. We will discuss that. Find the following in the extract. 1, an example of humor, an example of exaggeration, where something is made to seem more than it really is. That is the meaning of exaggeration. And number 3, 2 or 3 images which create a picture in the reader's mind. Okay. Please think first. You need to search for some expression, an example of humor, an example of exaggeration in the text, 2 or 3 images which create a picture in the reader's mind. Finished? 3 questions only.
Only number 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Number 4, 1, 2, 3. Have you considered for the answer?
I'm doing number 3. I'm thinking.
All right. Number 1, an example of humor. Ben, an example of humor.
You mean in the test? Yeah.
Yes, of course. You must give me the answer from the test. We are doing this test.
Okay.
First of all, how do you understand my humor?
Is
happiness.
Wait, wait.
Happiness.
Ben, I cannot hear clearly.
Oh, okay.
Humor.
Laughing.
Yes, something concerned with laughing, being amusing. So, an example of humor in this test. Which one is laughable? Can you find?
Which sentence, Smiley?
You must give me the expression that shows humor. Minute, could you find? Let's see the first paragraph up to line number 10. Okay, part by part. We will go. Do you see any expression that shows humor?
See, oh no.
She jabbed me hard and said, "Go after her." Is it funny? Is that part funny?
I think no.
No. So how about line number 15, 20? That paragraph, do you see any expression that shows humor?
Teacher, I think balloon with legs kicking out of it is funny.
See? Yes.
Yes.
Line number, yeah, it is quite funny, yeah. Line number 30. Everybody go to line number 30. She tried to swim underwater, but her dress was so filled with air that no matter how hard she tried, she remained on the surface like a balloon with legs kicking out of it. Pankopyo, can you see? Do you understand that meaning? Do you understand that meaning? It is funny, right? So it is called humor. You need to underline starting from line number 29 to 32, 32, up to that. It shows humor. Yes, I can accept it. It is humor. Only one. It says, according to the question, only one, right? An example. How about number 2? An example of exaggeration. Exaggeration, hyperbole, it is. Exaggeration. Wait. Pankopyo, how do you understand my exaggeration? What is the meaning of exaggeration in Burmese? You are also given the definition where something is made to seem more than it really is. What does it mean? Do you understand? You should know. Ben, how do you understand my this in Burmese? Exaggeration. Yes. Did you hear?
Can you say again? I can't hear.
Check up your check up your
check up your
Yes, that is called exaggeration. Okay, we will do that. An example of exaggeration. Can you give me the example for exaggeration? Who wants to say?
Yeah, I found it one, but I'm not sure that is not or not.
Yeah. Where do you see that?
46.
Line number 46.
Yeah.
See.
I thought they were shares, and only for flowers began to bloom by of shares. They were dolphins.
I thought they were sharks. It's not exaggeration.
They talk about emptying the whole ocean.
Line number?
Let me see. Line number. Maybe. Okay, 26.
Line number 26.
He jumped beside me.
Has she drowned? Oh no, my Kahu. And before I could stop her, she jumped in beside me, just about emptying the whole ocean. Emptying the whole ocean, yes. It is sort of exaggeration. Can you, in general, can you empty the whole ocean?
No, it's just...
Yeah, it is impossible, right? So yes, it is exaggeration. It is exaggeration. Yeah, according to the question, we have to find only one. This is exaggeration. And go to next one. 2 or 3 images which create a picture in the reader's mind. Through the words, you could visualize what is going on at the time. So you must give me some expressions that create a picture in the reader's mind. Yeah, whoever can. Find Gupio, can you find?
No, and I'm not finishing.
For number 3.
Yes.
And yeah, who wants to try? Who wants to try? There are only 3, so you can try.
Okay, so let me try it. Line number 28, yeah. No, 26 again, yeah. She didn't even give me a chance to explain as she grabbed the mask off and put it on. It's like watching a movie.
No, that is not the expression that shows a picture in the reader's mind. No.
No. Okay, line number 5.
Line number 5.
And then line number 32, 33, and line number...
Yeah, wait, one by one. Can you say for 5? Give me that expression.
Nani's mouth made a bit old.
Yes, possible. That is correct. Nani's mouth made a big O. So you could visualize how she is surprised. Line number 5. Okay, please underline. That shows that creates a picture in the reader's mind, correct? Anything else? Yeah, please try the rest.
Line number 32, 33.
32, 33.
Yeah, problem.
Oh, yes, you are right. It can, answers can be repeated, correct? In 30, balloon with legs kicking out of it, like a balloon with legs kicking out of it. So you can visualize what is going on. So that is also correct. Correct. 32. And who wants to try? Actually, there are more than 3. Many expressions.
Usually, smoothing her hair back from her face and blinking away to see what.
Line number.
Line number 60. 60.
Yes.
7. Yeah. Number 68, I guess.
Yes, 68. And last paragraph. Nani flowers and I want treading water one color appear between us. Yeah, that one, correct. You could visualize what is going on. Line number 66, starting from 66. Treading water, smoothing her head back from her face and blinking away the sea water. Nani flowers sopping, had her clothes in the water. Yes. And here you can see like smoothing her hair back from her face, blinking away the sea water that way. Yes, correct. Anything else?
There's so many.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many schemes in the test.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there are many.
So many.
So, yeah, you have given three images, right? And we will discuss more. Excuse me, I have already finished number 4, so I want you to do number 5. Think ahead. Think ahead for the answers. Number 1, there are 4 questions. Do you see that? Who is the comic character in this extract? The questions are quite hard. Why does the writer use humor here? You must think. The reason, you must think ahead. Does it add drama? How does the writer build suspense? And next one, what do you learn about Kahu from this extract? Okay, please think ahead for the answers. So number 5 is homework. Workbook. Workbook, don't do yet. Oh, you can do page 50. Crossword, you can do because it is related to listening. Okay, only page 50. Workbook, page 50. Students with 4 questions. That's all. Any question for today's lesson? What time is that?
Have you decided the date, if the test date?
The test date is in 3rd week. I will let you know exactly. I will let you know exactly. Yeah, 3rd week. Maybe the first day or the second day. I need to discuss it with the teacher from the school for the date, right? So maybe 3rd week. I will do it in 3rd week. Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Bye, Chair. Thank you, Chair.
Bye, Chair.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, you can go. I cannot stop at once. Good evening. Can you hear me? Okay, wait. All right. For presentation, what did I ask you to do? Do you have to prepare your own topic? Or do I have to give the topic? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, wait, I cannot stop.
I don't know have the presentation today.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm confused with sorry. Today, not today, Friday, right? Friday. Sorry, I'm wrong. You are okay. So for what did I ask you to do last week? I could not stop. You mean students book?